how to find Windows 10 product key. Now, this method is very easy, but there's going to be a bunch of folders that you need to click, so you really need to pay attention for this. So first things first is go to your Windows icon and simply type in regedit. Now from here, all you have to do is choose on local machine and then go to software. And from here, just simply scroll down and choose on Microsoft. Now on the next page, just simply locate and click on Windows NT. It is usually located below. So let's see right here. Click that and then choose on current version. Now next is going to be Software Protection Platform. Just go ahead and locate that folder right here. Double click. And then on the right page, just simply click on Backup Product. Double click. And then below Value Data is going to be your Windows product key. And that's it. That's how you find a Windows 10 product key.